The movement of the elbow is flexion, so think of when you do a bicep curl and you're curling the weight towards you. Then there's extension, similar to the lowering phase of a bicep curl. And then we have supination, with the palms facing up. And a good way to remember this is to think of a waiter handing you soup. And then we have pronation, which are palms facing down. A good way to remember this is to think of a pro nail shop when a girl gets her nails done. To begin with your elbow cars, flex the elbow as if you're doing a bicep curl. When you get to your end range, rotate your elbows out and lower them back down with control. Do this for 2 to 3 reps in a pain-free zone and then reverse the direction, this time starting with the palms turned toward you in pronation.